Welcome to This Week in Nerf, your source for first-party, third-party, and community Nerf news. I'm Adriana, and we are traveling again. Also, we're filming this on Friday, so I don't know the future. If anything happens on Saturday, we'll get it next week. The Gostop Stability Kit has been spotted in Asia. It's an accessory pack with a folding stock and flashlight foregrip. They're both clear, just like the Gostop's line of blasters. I think the flashlight grip is pretty neat, and I love that it has an end strike attachment on the top for even more flexibility. A folding stock seems like a strange choice for something called a stability kit, especially when the arms look a little bit flimsy, so we'll see just how stable it is, but it is a fun option for aesthetics. I'm really looking forward to seeing people installing LEDs in these, but for now, only in Asia. Drac has another Kickstarter, and for the third time in a row has been funded in 24 hours. This is the Tooth and Nail Mini. The original version was for the incredibly popular Caliburn, but this aluminum trigger, sear, and plunger combo is for its smaller remixed counterpart, the Talon Claw. And I've been using the Tooth and Nail in my personal Caliburn since it was first released, and I love it. I think for the Mini we can expect the same quality as the first iteration, and it'll be available in red, black, and silver with a delivery date in July, which is an insanely fast turnaround. Shout out to Buff Daddy at Blaster Hub for this scoop on the Nerf Action Xperience. It's a family entertainment center coming to Singapore this year, and it's apparently already doing well enough for the license to extend to the US. So it seems like we might be seeing a similar official Nerf arena stateside very soon. We'll have to wait until the Singapore location opens to see exactly what it is, but I love playing, and anything that gets more people playing gets a thumbs up from me. Captain Slug has created caliber number 1000, and just as impressive as those sales numbers is the beauty of this blaster. Number 1000 is illuminated with color-changing LED strips and is just gorgeous. This blaster will be raffled off at FoamCon, and the file set will be available for purchase. Every $10 file set purchase will gain an entry to the raffle, and you do not need to be present at FoamCon to win. In addition, the first 200 sales will be donated to 4Kids Haven House. They provide shelter and services to homeless families and comprehensive education for children experiencing homelessness. This is an impressive milestone, an awesome blaster, and it's supporting a charitable cause. It feels like it just happened, but FoamFest 2020 has been announced. It'll take place on April 18th in Bristol, and we are already watching the flight prices because I am so ready to meet some UK Nerfers. We'll have more information on this as it's released. This mod of the week is a long time coming. 5 years, 250 hours of machining, 3 redesigns, and 3 injuries later, the Pocket Javelin from Hawkeye 007 is complete. I'm not sure the name matches at this point because it is 8 pounds of aluminum. All the blue bits are custom resin cast by Hawkeye as well. It started as a rainbow pump, but later evolved to be more of a Caliburn. It still has some elements setting it apart though, like the catch is different. It goes to show how far a little patience and a lot of aluminum can get you. You know, I'm starting to get jealous of the wars taking place in parkour gyms. Actually, I think I'm jealous of the parkour gym separately from Nerf as well. I can't believe some people get to play in such interesting places. There's a lot of kids being goobers in this video, but holy cow, some of them are really fast and clearly frequent this gym often. I also got a kick out of the one older boy trying to teach the little one some semblance of strategy. I do that at our wars. I love leading an army of children. Anyway, this looks really fun, and I want a parkour gym, dang it! Now I gotta do the outro.
Seriously, already?
Yeah. This one's short. I clapped, but I didn't have anything in my head. I get nervous with the outros now because people are like expecting something of me. It's like, Adriana, do your weird quirky outro, and I'm like, now I'm thinking about it. I don't want to think about it.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Hey Bobo.